Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to find how much time you spend on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will appear from the bottom. Select your activity. Now tap on Time. This will open a page with information about how much time you have spent on Instagram each day this week. Your daily average time spent on Instagram will be listed near the top. To see how much time you spent on a specific day, tap the blue bar above the day. Below you will see some time management tools. To set a time limit for yourself and get a reminder notification once you have hit your daily time limit, tap Set Daily Reminder. Use the time sliders to set the amount of time you would like to allow yourself to spend on Instagram each day. Then tap Set Reminder. To make yourself less likely to open the Instagram app, you can edit your notification settings. From here you can make any changes you need. And these are all the things you need to know about finding how much time you spent on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.